The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey man, you know where I watch? Dancehall. Alright, viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skilla. Big up and respect to each and every one. Now, viewers and subscribers, quick and fast, I'm going to say this. I have a video of a person trying to explain something like he see some form of paranormal activity, you know, like Duppy or ghost or spirit, whatsoever you call it, you see me? And the man said that he see some form of activity like that at a hotel where I'm staying, and I'm bringing this video to you, my viewers and subscribers, because I want you to take a look at it, and you can also tell me if a really paranormal activity or Duppy or ghost thing are going in at the hotel where I'm staying. So, my viewers and subscribers, you understand? Now, I'm about to present this video to you viewers and subscribers. So for those who might not like things like this, the following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. Alright? Observe.
I decided to turn on my camera because there's something really scary going on in here right now. I'm in the hotel room and I was laying here watching CNN. And that phone fell off its cradle, and I have no idea why. One of those cups right there fell off onto the floor down in here. I have no idea how that happened. It didn't fall out there where the light would hit. It fell, came down, went over and under the sink and landed right in here in this shadowy area. It's really freaking me out, so I decided to turn on I decided to turn on my phone because I can't figure out what's going on, and it's happened a couple times already. And I don't know. Oh, crap. I know I got that. That's crazy. The phone's not even plugged in on the wall, but it's coming off its cradle by itself. I tell you guys, this stuff is really freaking me out. This cup is the one that fell and landed under here. I don't know why. I don't know why that's going on. But that's really, really freaky. Wow. That's scary. Can you move something else again for me? Anything? Oh. Can you tell me your name? I can't hear you. Can you maybe speak a little louder? Oh my goodness. Okay, I know you're in here. I just want to know what your name is. And if there's anything I can do to help you. Is there anything at all? Can you tell me what it is that you're looking for? Is there a place that you want to go to? A place that you need to be? Anything? Okay, it's freaking me out, but you're not really scaring me. Can you show yourself on my camera? Was that an orb? No, that was a reflection. That towel had just fallen off from there to there. Now it's over here. If I open the door, will you leave? Because I really would like to get to sleep. I'm opening the door. You are welcome to leave. Can you move the phone again? Okay. Ow. If you're in here, will you move the phone again? Will you move the hanger again? Or move the towel again? Or will you move the cup? I'll put it right here. If you're still in here, move the cup.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, the first thing I want to do is point out a few things. You see me? Not that I'm trying to say that I lie the man I tell, but at the same time, we can't just say yo are true. And at the same time, I am not here to mislead you, my viewers and subscribers, right? I am only here to tell you the honest truth of how me look on something, or or my point of view, or my opinion towards something. You see what I'm saying to you? Now, the first thing I start to look at, you see, because this is the first thing I start to look at in the video, is the things them will fall. So me wonder if this person tied strings, like, you know, strings on these things and pull them, you know, with a different hand while the camera hold on to like this. So me I say, and I'm talking about some strings like those strings that are very hard to see, you know, some little strings. You see me? Because them things they have to look at, you know, you see me? So that's one point. Then the next point me I look at now is that I'm wondering if somebody else is there with the person dropping these things and all these things, you know what I mean? Like maybe with the same string or so forth. You see me? Maybe the person down under the bed and all them things, you know. Maybe that the person goodly all, you know, just try to stay out of the camera and so forth, you know. So that's why I'm even looking at the video and I look if I see a second shadow. You see what I'm saying to you? So we have to look towards them things that too as well. You see what I'm saying to you, viewers and subscribers? Those are the things I'm looking for. As well as now, overall, you know what I mean? Overall, it just might be true. It just might be for real the person actually went through some form of paranormal activity. Like I said, you know, viewers and subscribers, I'm not going to say I lie the person I tell you know. No, I'm not gonna do that because you know you might be surprised to know say everything with that person I say yo are exactly true. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, you have to look on things yo. And some of the times too, you can't really and truly deny this whole spiritual thing because some of the times, and then some of the times, the fact that we, you know, we believe in the Bible and all these things and the type of things with miracles and so forth, and them say that Christ rise, you know, after certain days and all these things, the Father, Son, and Holy Ghost and so forth and all these things, you know, it's like, to my point of view or to my belief, is that if you don't believe in spirits and them things, then it is like you're saying, you know, some things in the Bible is not real as well. That's what I'm saying, you see me? You understand? So all these things me look at, you know, and this is just my point of view, you know, viewers and subscribers. I'm not saying that you should or this is what you should. No, I'm not telling you that. Everyone has their own opinion and point of view towards things, you see me? So do not take my point of view and just say, yo, achoo. No. I'm telling you my opinion. It's up to you if you want to believe, but I'm not telling you to directly believe what I'm saying. No, I'm not. Alright? I would like to hear what you believe about what's going on in this video, viewers and subscribers. Is Is it that this person is actually going through some form of paranormal activity? You see me? Is it that this person really sees some form of paranormal activity? Is it really a Duppy, him see, or a spirit, or what? Tell me what you think. You know, me just present the video to you, my viewers and subscribers, so that you can have a look at it, and you can also, you know, just tell me what you think. Alright. But anyways, viewers and subscribers, this is where I leave it. I don't know me, Dancehall Skilla. I'm only here to keep you up to date and posted and make you know what I want. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button, leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Oh no, big up on yourself. You see it.
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla. Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla. You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.